are there. Can't afford the luxury of turning our heads.
As here's Grande. Give. Siciliano trying to power his way up the middle. Did he carry himself over to the end zone? Yes, he does. Touchdown, Siciliano. Now they said they're 3 down linemen. 1st and 10. Or 1st and goal, rather. Another give, and a free rush into the end zone. Touchdown! Matthew Siciliano. 15 for the Colts. Siciliano in motion. And they give. He gets back to the original line of scrimmage. Now he has some room over to the outside. He's got 2 to beat. Siciliano over to the 30 and smartly scampers out of bounds. That's a big pickup of 16 yards from the sophomore. And another big first down. And, you know, this is just his first year starting on varsity, and Siciliano already making a massive impression. Grande. Another give. Plenty of room outside, and another touchdown for Siciliano.
Ball's pitched to Siciliano. And he'll be punched.
There we go!
And he's in for a Kinnelon Colt touchdown. Matthew Siciliano.
A little pitch back behind. Siciliano with a little excuse me pushed out of the way. Stays on his feet. Now works to the outside. Here comes Siciliano over across the 40-yard line and is forced out of bounds. A 23-yard carry for Siciliano, and what a day it's been for this young man.